Ate boiled the
Ate boiled the corn,
corn. Then
and Mama cut
Mama
corn
cut from kayan.
cut from kayan.
What is kayan in English? Ubos ato ng English ka
Ate
dyan.
boiled the corn. Mama make it with kayan.
Remove from kayan. You know what is kayan?
I don't know.
Me also, I don't know English for kayan.
Me, I know. This one is in the corn.
Yeah. So you must to eat good so that you will become.
This one is kayan.
Yeah, give me. Yeah.
It's kayan?
This is the kayan. So the corn is from there.
Me, I boiled the
Yeah.
corn.
Then I remove the seeds of the corn. I remove from kayan.
I remove all the seeds from the corn. I remove too much seeds. I remove all
So
the
that is
seeds.
your breakfast now. The corn.
My corn?
Yeah.
I will bring it to school. My teacher will be so happy.
If she eat corn.
Yeah.
Why did you think this Arabic teachers they will eat corn?
No, they don't eat corn. They eat Indian food.
They eat only kayan.
Indian food. They eat Indian food.
They eat Indian food.
Yeah,
Oh my God.
they like Indian food
Why you know that they like Indian food?
because they like it.
Mm. You see them? They are eating Indian food.
I cannot. Where are they? I cannot see them.
Okay.